Welcome to the DLC. Thanks for being here. Our front office staff is always on hand to take your call or welcome you to our school for a visit, conditions permitting, of course. If you've ever called into the DLC, you very likely spoke with a member of our front office team who are ready to answer your questions and help you get started on your learning journey with us. Our printing and shipping department is where course materials are prepared into a toolbox and mailed to you. You won't be just sitting in front of a computer all day and will still get to be hands-on with art supplies or science experiments. Our teachers are able to connect with students and parents via phone, email, or video chats. We are here for you. As an online school, our green screen room technology helps our teachers prepare virtual lessons and interactive class broadcasts. We offer unique programs such as Power Engineering, where you get to take your learning to our hands-on lab, or our agriculture programming, where opportunities like a Farm to Fork event connects what you learn in the classroom to real-life experiences. You are part of our community at the DLC, where events such as virtual field trips, clubs, read-alouds, or on location with your teachers keep us connected from a distance. Your education, your choice. We are here for you. To get started or to learn more, visit us at www.sunwestdlc.ca.